Hey, this is Randy at Porsche Colorado Springs. In this how-to video, I'm going to show you the Macan's comfort entry. This is the key fob. I'm going to put this in my pocket. As long as it's in a pocket or a purse, if you come up to the door, reach inside, the door will unlock. You can have a setting to where just the driver's door unlocks, or you can unlock all four doors. To lock the door, there's a little detent right here, if you can see that. I'm just gonna put my thumb over it. It locks, you hear a little beep from the car, as well as the doors locking. Now, in my car, my Macan, what I do is I have it set so that the windows, or I'm sorry, the mirrors, the side mirrors will fold when I lock the car. Just another fail-safe way to make sure that the car is locked. Again, to open it, we're just gonna open it up and we can get inside. Thanks for watching.